Yes, could I please get a grande white mocha with caramel drizzle, caramel syrup, hot? That's it. I don't know if she heard me. I couldn't hear myself because somebody's like mowing. So good morning, fabulous friends. Happy Friday. I'm headed into work this morning. If you guys haven't followed me before, you guys know that I work Monday through Friday, and half a days on Fridays I work. And today, when I get off work at 12 o'clock, I'm coming home and I'm loading up my car and we are headed for the beach. We're going to spend all day tomorrow just soaking up the sun, feet in the sand, and enjoying a nice relaxation time on the beach. And then we're going to come home Sunday. We're supposed to go to a beautiful reef that's near Panama, and we're supposed to do some snorkeling. I borrowed my neighbor's GoPro to film some of the snorkeling that we're going to do underwater. Not sure how well that's going to work out because I'm not like a big underwater type of gal, in the ocean anyway. So we'll see how that works out. So I'm hoping to have some fun footage of that. If not, I'll have my husband do some of the footage. That'll be fun and interesting for him to do. Gotta get my Starbucks. Hold on. I'm enjoying a nice ice cream cone while I wait for my in-laws, because they're inside buying stuff too. But this is our stop, and we've stopped here before, and I've shared that with you guys on our way to Pensacola. But this is a place that we always stop on our way down and grab a nice ice cream, them some coffee, and a break. So that's what we're doing. This place is so awesome. So if you're ever near Montgomery, Alabama, stop at Priester's. Hey guys, so we've checked into our hotel room in Pensacola. It's the same hotel that we stayed at last time we were here back in April, and it's actually the same hotel that we stay in all the time. It's the Country Inn and Suites in Pensacola, and I'm just going to take you on a quick room tour. This is the room. Always very nice and very clean. It's a very new hotel. I think it just opened up like last year or 2 years ago. And then this is the bathroom. Bathroom, toilet seat up, and shower. Plenty of towels. Yeah. So we are going to go next door to get a few bites to eat at the Cracker Barrel, and probably just hang out here at the hotel for the rest of the evening and veg out since it's about 7 o'clock. And what do you guys think of this hat? Something new? We're in Navarre Beach?
Yeah.
Navarre Beach, Florida. Ooh.
What?
Hello. What is it?
Turtle.
Oh, he's cute.
Rock, son.
Look at the little turtle. Oh yeah, there's cute. Oh, there's several of them. Oh wow, how neat. No gators? Palm trees. Those are always my favorite. Oh. More turtles right there. Oh, the babies. Hi, babies. Oh, yeah.
Threw some shells in. They went. Look at.
Oh. Look at the turtles. Oh my goodness. Whoa. There's a
turtle. Come over here, man.
Yeah.
God. Look at them. They're waiting for food too.
They are. Oh man.
shell, you got a soft shell.
Yeah, they're all waiting for bread.
Yep. Look at them all coming.
Oh, oh.
Look at them all out there.
They're racing.
Ooh, look at the size of that one. Wow.
Yeah, he's a big one.
He's a big one. Goodness.
I don't even see his head. It doesn't even look like a turtle head. It looks something else.
That's a big, good soft shell.
Oh, look at all of them. Wow, they're so cute.
Yeah, here it is.
Anyway, the ones from Santa Rosa County are here. So some of them you'll see out there today, as well as other ones. And the rest of them are catalog. It tells you where they're from, and if you want to know when they are, then you look at the corresponding number. So, when you're ready to go outside, I have a little laminated sheet.
I like those clear ones too.
Yeah, those are pretty. Yeah, for YouTube. It's my YouTube channel. Say hi. Eddie says hi.
Giant swordtail butterfly.
Let's go see the butterflies.
I'm doing really good. Thank you. And then when you go out there,
Well, how about if I put something on
Oh, look. Oh, pretty.
There's a classy one.
Oh, I didn't.
Smoking a cigarette there.
Oh, yeah, that's always good. Oh, what's the cage for, I wonder? Trapping those alligators.
It's a feeding cage. Well, maybe to get ducks and stuff.
For like, that is weird. I would assume there's no alligators in there.
That'd be a piece of meat hanging there, not a
Right.
Really?
plastic.
One of these, my house.
It's right there. I don't know what time it is. You need to check and see what time. I wish you would blow off the cannon again. That would be pretty cool. Sand is itching my butt. Like my legs and stuff. They're gonna poop on my head. Okay, they're pooping. Right on Brian's head. Can't believe they fetch.
Going on top of that dumb hat. Yeah, take that hat one.
Good. That green thing is wild looking.
Pretty cool.
Wow.
That blister man put from walking on that pavement.
I figured as much, yeah. Hot from, yeah. The heat. They're in the truck. I did bring them.
How y'all doing?
What time y'all close?
5 o'clock.
Oh, right now. Like 10 minutes. Yeah, I figured they close at like 5. Yeah.
Love that black.
Yeah.
Do a real quick walk, please.
Yeah.
I would like to have something like that.
Uh-huh.
Right, see how low it is.
Yeah,
like
that's
big
nice.
Ford.
I couldn't fit on the back of that though.
I wouldn't want you on that.
Well, that's not very nice. I don't know. That's nice. That's heavy
I
though.
like that green.
I don't like the green.
Oh, I do. I just don't like those kind of lights.
I love their shirts.
Yeah.
The Harley shirts. Yeah, that was nice. I know.
I knew that guy.
Oh, yeah. Oh, your parents missed this. Say your parents went straight that way and missed the store.
Probably got. Alright, let's go see. Alright, what light is it?
Oh no, they're there. They do close at 5, just so you guys know. Oh, these are cool. I love the orange.
I do too.
Yeah. I've always wanted to get one. I've just never gotten one. So I've always wanted to get one. I've just never gotten one. I like the gray down here too. Mm-hmm.
Is that a front or the back? They tell you whether that's a design.
Back.
Back. Probably a plain front. I like the gray.
And I actually like the red too. Huh. Cool. So you haven't found one you like?
Get girl in the bikini.
No.
You know?
Gray don't look like it's got nothing on
Well,
it,
that's what I'm thinking. That's
but it
the,
shows the
Good morning, fabulous friends. It is Sunday, and we are headed home today. It was just a one-day little trip that we did this weekend, nothing big and fancy. We spent most of the day yesterday at the beach, which was super, super nice, and then ended it last night with a nice dinner with Brian's cousin. So today we are heading home, and we're just now getting ourselves ready. I'm going to head down for some breakfast. That's where Brian is at right now. And before we leave there, we're going to head over to Joe Patties, which is a fish market. and check that place out for a few minutes. Then we're going to hit the road and head home. So I'll take you guys along with me on my journey home, and then I'll end the vlog today and hopefully get this up and edited for you guys tomorrow morning. So if you guys are interested in hanging out with me for the rest of the day, hang around. If not, see you guys another day. Okay guys, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.
A little wine thing.
Anna's Wines.
These places try to capitalize on everything.
Yeah, they got to.
Oh yeah,
Keep up.
that's right. 'Cause you never know when.
We love coming here because of all the fish.
Excuse me. That's that trigger. Okay. What do you call it? Everything fine? Give me 5 fillets. Yeah. Put Bob on keel.
Customer number 56.
Yum. Flounder. Crabs. Lobsters. Yum. Where's the fresh sushi? I thought they had fresh sushi here.
We're at right there. Okay. No problem.
Oh, is that what he wants?
Yep.
Oh. Why does he want one? Oh, your mom wants it. Oh, for what?
They don't know.
Oh, just they want it.
I asked my mom, I said, what do you want it for? She goes, I said, well, are you going to decorate? Maybe.
Ah. What color do they want?
She wants yellow.
Oh, yellow. That's cute. Well, I was hoping they'd find their fresh sushi. I wanted them to make me a roll. Tuna roll. Did your mom go to the bathroom?
Yep.
I guess I better. They don't want nobody to get to it. Wow.
Yeah, a little bit.
Yeah, those were done in their flounder. I'm not going to. So good. What is that?
Crabs, I guess.
Fresh whale.
Crab. Soft shell crabs. Oh.
Look at this. Salmon steaks, dude. Look at I know. Love to get me some of that. How we can't bring it home though? We have to put it on ice. get fresh stuff. Those what? Oh, yeah, yeah. They're always so cool looking. Morning. Yeah, he doesn't understand English. So cool. Aren't these cool boats? All the fishing and stuff people do. But they take these out and then they get all the fish, and that's what brings them in here to Joe Patties, which that's what we think is like so cool. And usually they bring them all in here, but we missed the morning rush of it, which would have been so cool to be able to see. But that alarm always goes off. So cool. The bay. Remember it went off last time we walked through here? Well, he scared the crap out of me.
Coming over here, you know.
Huh?
I said I never get tired.
Oh, no. Nope, never. Nope, never, never, never. It's always so pretty and peaceful, and
Then I love so,
yep, I love them.
so cool.
Yep.
At least there was one, we never catch it just right to see when.
You have to do it like real early in the morning, I bet.
Yeah.
Like super early in the
Or
morning.
late at night when they worked all day.
Yeah. So pretty coming through here. We love coming through here. And just a few minutes ago, like my mother-in-law said, it never gets old coming through here. It just, I don't know, it's just always so beautiful and peaceful. And I could totally live here. Totally live here and just, I don't know, grab a cup of coffee, come sit out by the pier. This is where, like, we belong, is in Florida. It's like two of my happiest places. My favorite places is in Florida. Disney and the beach and the ocean and the water. All of this. All of it. My faves. So, love it. Love it all.
Cost Spanish,
Wow.
some ribs,
You the shrimp?
yeah, frozen shrimp.
Yeah. Say cut some 50-pound fish right here.
I was gonna say I bet.
drums.
Got it.
I caught one right here, matter of fact.
Is that a dead bird or something?
Yeah, it's a bird. He dead.
Oh, he's not dead. I just saw his head move.
Yeah.
But he looks like he's gonna be.
Yeah. It's got whacked. Just ran into something.
Uh-oh, poor bird.
Is that a
Yeah.
baby heron or what is that?
I don't know. It is weird. It does look like a baby heron.
Isn't that a cool little bird?
Mm-hmm.
He just acted like he didn't know how to fly. Kind of flew
So
over
this
that
must have, this is a rope, and it must have stuff on the...
other bird.
I think kind of looks like a hawk to me.
He's what?
It's probably just wet. It can't get out of the water. What do you got?
Can we get a net and get it out?
We could get over to dry land and probably get up out of there. I think it just got wet and it can't get up out of it.
Rescue efforts. All right, I hope he's not injured. Don't fall in.
Get him up here on the trunk so you try to dry out and fly away.
Oh, come here, birdie.
There you
Come on. Hang on, hang on. Yay. Oh!
Oh, sorry, buddy.
Oh, don't go away. Yeah, he's way too heavy.
If you would have just leaned forward, you would have had him.
Yeah.
He leaned back.
Oh.
If I would lean forward, I probably fell in.
Yeah, no.
Oh, yeah, poor you.
The bird needs to lean forward.
Oh, no, where did he go? Oh. Yeah, his wings are too heavy, I think.
Yeah, they're just all wet. Did he dry out?
Aw, poor guy. We don't want you falling in, though. Hold on to your britches. Come on, birdie. Come on. Like he's scared. Need like a different net. Needs like a... Come on. Come on. Oh, good. Yay.
Stay out of the water, you dum-dum.
He must be really heavy. Is it a pigeon? What is it?
There you go.
Yes.
Yeah, dry him out.
Dry him out. Oh, thank you so much. Good job.
Now you can get out here and get dried off.
Yeah. Woo.
Well, which way are we going? Around this way?
Yeah, stay up there and dry off.
Yeah, he'll dry out and get out.
Yeah, he's afraid. Oh, good rescue. Good rescue. Yes. Exactly. He's like, I'm going in now. I ain't playing out here no more.
Yeah, those crazy people have rescued some, don't they?
So they caught 2 50-pounders right here, and then a bunch of other fish. Nothing like working in a fish market and then coming out back there and break and doing some fishing.
What is that sitting out there on the end? The hawk?
No, those are pelicans.
Oh, on this one over here.
It's probably his owl on the end of his boat.
Fake owl.
So funny to see these pelicans. Because they'll probably like go away and I won't be able to like get a picture of them. Because they're gonna fly. Yep, there he goes, flying away. Pelicans, don't fly away. Trying to get your picture. Don't fly away. Aw, you dang pelicans. Trying to take your picture. Oh, don't fly away.
Down there, they're down there now.
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
Coming up. When they start going quick, that means something's coming after them. Yep, see? Something's down there scooping them.
Yeah, the water wasn't a little clear.
Oh, something's chasing those fish over there. Did you see them all jump out of the water? I love the pelicans that sit on the ends of these things. They're so cool. I know. I can't get closer because they keep flying away.
Oh, here's a big one. Big fish right here. Look.
Oh, yeah. Huge.
Big one.
Whoa.
Right here.
Oh, my God.
Yep.
What?
Glasses on. It's going out.
I see it. Yeah.
There it goes. It's coming
Wow.
up. It's coming up.
Almost out there to get it swallowed.
Yeah, I can see it as plain as day. Here it comes. Here it comes.
Wow. Is it coming back this way?
It's coming up, man. It's only like an inch under the water.
I seen him.
Yeah, it's hard for you guys to see it.
No, I saw
I
it.
can still see it with my glasses off, but I can see it as plain as day with these on. Boy,
Wow.
he's huge, man. He's about that wide. Going out there.
Very cool. He's a big one.
Yep.
Remember when we used to walk on the pier, you could
But I
see
gotta have full ride.
Straight.
The 4 walkers.
$5, guys. Get you all armbands and
Yeah.
get you good all day.
It's out there today. Look at that.
That's why they said it's
Look at
choppy.
that.
Yep. Ooh, the surf is really high. This is the beach life. Oh, I could only like dream of living in a place like this. No, I couldn't dream. I will be here someday. I promise. Brian and I will live here someday. I will be a Floridian someday. That is for sure. I used to be a Floridian years ago. Maybe the water's clearer, we can see. No, look at them all. That's awesome. They're waiting for the big one. Oh Lord. Woo! Yeah, it looks like a piece of bacon. I don't like walking way down there because they're all casting and it's really windy. And I'm always afraid that the hooks are going to get caught in my head or my hat. So I will stay down here and enjoy the view from right here. Because it is a beautiful, beautiful view. Isn't it, guys? Oh, I absolutely love it here. All the surfers. Sometimes on a clear day you can see clear down into the water. You can sometimes see big fish. We see sheep's head sometimes down here eating on the barnacles. We've seen manta ray, we've seen dolphin out here. It's just so beautiful. But that is an aquarium out there. That's how I feel about it. And when I jump in there, I become food. So all those people are food for any big sharks that want to come along and take a little nibble. So that's what, oh, big fish down here. Yep, big. Oh, maybe not. No, he was. Just can't see him. I wish you guys could see it. No, it's like super windy here too, so I'm afraid my hat's gonna blow off. But anyway, this is just a nice little detour before we go home. I wanted to obviously catch this stuff before we left because, you know, probably won't be back again this year because we have other trips planned. So this is what we're going to be doing. And you can't get in the water right now because it's got red flags. So it's dangerous surf. But the surfers on that side can, but we can't on this side. They were getting some guy out over there because he's not allowed to be out that far. However, those people are way out far. Obviously, they're not being, nobody can see them. So, anywho, see, I could totally just live here. Just sit on the beach and relax and no worries. It's like the best thing to do here. Wow. And this is Florida. This is like Florida at its prime beauty, I think anyway. Love it. Love it. It's kind of windy, guys. It's just super windy, but Lots of surfers out. Waiting for the big one. Waiting for like the big kahuna. Nope. Oh, that's a big one. Oh, that's so cool. He like went underneath it. Oh, there goes some. Trying to ride him in. That's so cool. That is so cool how they go underneath the waves. Okay. So I think I'm gonna walk down by the beach since my in-laws are all there behind me. They walked all that way and Brian walked that way, so I think I'm just gonna walk down here to the beach and I guess sit and wait for them for a little while. Maybe put my feet in the water. My hair is blowing all over, but keep getting hair in my mouth. Like, ah! So yesterday when we were like snorkeling and stuff, obviously I didn't get to bring the GoPro because, I mean, I have the GoPro, but I didn't want to like get it working because it's not mine. I was borrowing it from friends, and I would have felt horrible if something happened to it. So Brian and I are actually going to the Virgin Islands in September. So I plan on, this is ridiculous, I totally plan on buying one for when we go. That way we have one, that way we can actually use it, and if we break it or ruin it, then we're okay with that. But hopefully we won't. We'll get like waterproof stuff and it'll be all good. But yeah, so I'm gonna head down to the beach. Come with me, guys. So here's what all the beach warning flags mean, and we have the high hazard one out today, which means no swimming in the Gulf, so you cannot swim. So that's what it says, no swimming. How cool is that though? Gonna take off my sandals or my flip-flops now and walk. It's a lot easier to walk barefoot than it is with sandals on or flip-flops on. Yep, that's what the lifeguard is doing. You're not allowed to get in the water because it says no swimming in the Gulf. So, not allowed to swim. You can come sit by the water, but you cannot get in the water. Whew, they're jogging. in-laws, but that was the pier I was just on. I'm just gonna walk down here, take my time, enjoy my last few minutes here in Pensacola. So nice. I wish like I was his dark tan color. It's a gorgeous tan color. Love it. Alright guys, I'm going to put my flip-flops down here, and I'm going to walk on over. You can tell where the tide was at, way up here at one point, because it's all wet. You can't get in, but you can get in this far. Woo! Whoa. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Oh, still not close enough. There it is. Oh, come on, yes. Ooh, that water's chilly. Okay, I don't want to get soaked. That was funny. Gorgeous. Fun stuff. Oh, love it out here. This is what Florida is all about, you guys. I don't know. I know I've said that 100 times, but just so you guys get the gist of what it is. Gorgeous. Okay, I need to take a few pictures. Guys, this one has me said this belongs on the cover of the front of the magazine, and I said I 100% agree. So I guess with that said, I'm going to what a beautiful place to bid farewell. So I'm going to go ahead and bid farewell here in Pensacola, Florida. Thanks so much for hanging out with me, guys. I totally appreciate it. If you guys like this video, please give it a big huge thumbs up and share it with someone who you think might like it as well. If you guys are ever in the Pensacola area, make sure you guys check out Pensacola Pier. It only costs about $1.25 to get on, and enjoy while you're here. Thanks again so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. Take care. Stay fabulous, guys. Bye. Look at this sexy guy walking down here. Got his shirt on button and everything. He's your typical Floridian. Look at you with your shirt all unbuttoned, all hotsy-totsy. I walked all the way down there and had my feet in the water. What was it? What?
Down there swimming around.
Sharks?
The sharks. Guy caught a big fish.
Wow, cool.
Barracuda.
Wow.
Everything.
Awesome. Well, the wind blowing and stuff down there, it just like freaks me out with their poles and.
Sharks though, dude.
I know. That
Guy
sucks.
caught a huge fish, tarpon.
Wow.
Tarpon,